Hello YouTube family, welcome back, and let's provide a solution given this amazing exponential equation, which is 8 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power x. This is equal to 24. So what is the value of x? Solution. Now from what we have here, 8 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power x multiplied by 8 raised to power x, this is in the form of a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, which we can transform as a raised to power n plus m. Okay, so let's transform it in this form. We're going to have 8 raised to power x plus x plus x. This is equal to 24. Okay, so we're going just to do some addition here. This is x plus x, which is equal to 8 raised to power 3x. This is equal to 24. Okay. To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm so that we're going to have log 8 raised to power 3x. This is equal to log 24. Okay. Now from here, you find that 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3, and 24 on the right hand side can be expressed as 8 multiplied by 3. If you say 8 times 3 is the same thing as 24. Also, we are saying that this 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3. So we can have 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Okay. Now from what we have here, let's substitute this back to our equation. Let's substitute that is 8, which is 2 raised to power 3, and 24, which is 8 times 3, which is 2 raised to power 3 times 3, back to equation. And this becomes log 2 raised to power, this is 3 times 3x, which is equal to log, this is 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Okay, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. You say 8 times 3 the same thing as 24. So we're going to have log 2 raised to power 3 times 3x. This is in the form of log m raised to power n, which we can transform as n log m. So log 2 raised to power 3 times 3x, which is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 times 3. Log 2 raised to power 3 times 3x is in the form of log m raised to power n, which we can write as n log m. Okay, so let's transform in this form. We're going to have, this is 3 times 3, which is 9x. You're going to have 9x log 2. This is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, now if you check on the right hand side, log 2 raised to power 3 times 3, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply this property. We're going to have, this is 9x log 2, this is equal to log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 3. Okay, so we divide both signs by log 2, and the same case here by log 2, and then divide both signs by log 2, as you can see, log 2, and also the other side by log 2. Okay, now let's simplify here. Let's simplify. You're going to have 9x, this is equal to, this is log 2 to this to power 3, this is the same as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, so if you check here, log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that we're going to have 9x, this is equal to 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Okay, so let's apply this property. We're going to have log 3 to base 2. Okay, now we divide both sides by 9. Okay, we divide here by 9, so that the value of x is equal to, now if you simplify here by 3 1 by 3 3, this is a third plus this is 1 over 9 log 3 to base 2. This is the value of x. Okay, so let's verify if this value of x satisfies. So let's substitute the value of x as follows. we have 8 raised to power 3. Into the bracket, we have a third plus 1 over 9 log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, so this is the same thing as 8 raised to power 3 over 3 plus 3 over 9 log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, so here 3 and 3 simplifies. So this is 8 raised to power 1 plus a third log 3 to base 2. This is equal to 24. Okay, now from what we have here, 8 raised to power 1 plus then log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so we're going to have 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by, this is 8 raised to power, can have log 3 to base 2 raised to power 3 from what we have here, so that this is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, 2 raised to power 3, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, so this is 8 raised to power 1 multiplied by 8 raised to power log 3 to base 8. Okay, this is equal to 24. Now from what we have here, 8 raised to power log 3 to base 8, this is in the form of m raised to power log b to base m, which is basically equal to b. Okay, so that means 8 raised to power log, saying that 8 raised to power log 3 to base 8, this is in the form of m raised to power log b to base m, which is actually equal to b. Okay, so if you have 8 raised to power log 3 to base 8, this is equal to 3. So let's substitute 3 here. You're going to have 8 times 3, this is equal to 24. So we find that 8 times 3, this is equal to 24, which is actually equal to 24. So that means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, and that affirms that the value of x, which is a third plus 1 over 9 log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So follow the steps and see you in the next video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like and subscribe.